dear students, how are you all? Hope you're fine at home and doing really well at home. So today we are going to start with our English work. So please take out your English book, that is Hands-on English Perfection Toolkit Level 2 Empowering B Perfection Book 1. So please take out your books. Everyone listen to me carefully. Please take out your books. So today we are going to start with section A, unit 1, that is use of dictionary. That is use of dictionary. We are going to color each and every module when we'll complete that particular module. So you have done the use of dictionary in your previous class. So what is a dictionary? What is the meaning of dictionary? You will get on page number 5. So please concentrate here on your book. Please everyone and read it with me. A dictionary is a book that contains a list of words in alphabetical order with their meanings explained by means of words and phrases. Whenever you want to know the meaning of any word, any English word, you can find that meaning of that particular word in the dictionary. So this is a dictionary. Five words are there, 150 words. There are 50 words and the phrases and the definitions. So you will get 150 words in this particular dictionary. There are 150 words in this dictionary. Getting this point? So you will get the meaning of each and every word in this dictionary. And how can you find why we are talking about alphabetical order? What is the alphabetical order? Alphabetical order is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So this is the alphabetical order. So when we are talking about the alphabetical order, we are talking about the A to Z. So the first word should start with A, then B, then C, then D. So if I give you few words and I will say you arrange them in a dictionary order. For example, see here very carefully. If I say I'm giving you few words, for example, apple, ant, book, bag, bat. Okay, these are few words. You can see here on your screen. Everyone, apple, ant, book, bag, bat. So first of all, in the dictionary order, you have to check the first letter. So the first letter is A, B, B, B. So in alphabetical order, which letter will come first? A will come first. So you're going to write A first. Then now you can see there is 2A, 1A and 2A. Now I have to go on second letter. I have to go on second letter. If my first letters are same, if my first letters of two or three words, if my first letter of two or three words, these are two words starting with A. Can you see this? Yes or no? Yes. So I will go on second letter. I will go on second letter. The second letter is P here and here is N. Yes or no? P, N. So now you have to check your alphabetical order. Whether N will come first or P will come first. So it is like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. So N comes first. So you're going to write A-N-T and then A-P-P-L-E. Now you have to check, is there any other word starting with A? No. So apple will come. Now I have to go on B. So book, bag, bat. Book, bag, bat. So all three words are starting with B. Yes or no? Now I have to go on second letter. So the second letter is O, then A, then again A. So now A comes first. So I will not look at book now. Now I have to see whether bat will come first or bag will come first. So my letter BAG. Now you have to check the third. Now you have to check the third one. So G will come first. So now after apple, bag, then bat, then book. So in this particular manner, we are going to arrange the words in the alphabetical order. So first of all, you have to check the first letter. If the first letters are same, then you have to go on the second letter. If the second letter is also same, then you have to go on the third letter. But the letters will come in alphabetical order. See here, if I am giving you the more example, cat, car, cake. Okay. So now you can see CACA. The common is CA. Yes. So I have to go on the third letter. I have to go on the third letter. That is KRT. So CAKE. Cake will come first. Then TQR. R come first. So car. Then cat. So this will be your alphabetical order in dictionary. If you want to find out the alphabetical order of these words, you will find in the dictionary and it will be same. That will be cake, car and cat. Getting this point? See here again. Dog, drum, door, desk. So D, the first letters are D. You can see. Now the second one. There's a OROE. OROE. So DESK. Desk will come as the first because E comes first. So you're going to write desk on the first number. Then now O comes first, but with the O there are two letters. You can see there are two words with O. Dog, door. Now you have to check the third one. That is G. And here is O. So G comes first. So you're going to write dog, then door, and the last one will be drum itself. The last one will be drum. So this will be your dictionary order. That is an alphabetical order. So first of all, you have to check the first letter, then second letter. If the first and second letter are same, then you will go on the third letter. Ball, beans, box, etc. So BALL ball. A will come first, then E second letter. See the second letter. E will come next, and then O will come next. Okay, so ball, beans and box. So in this particular way, we are going to do page number 6. So please take out your pencils and you're going to complete this page with me. I'm looking at you. If you will not complete this page with me, then I will not check your book. So please complete it with me. Take out your pencils, everyone. I'm looking at you. I'm watching you. So, butterfly, frog, glass, rabbit, kettle. So, see the all first letters are different. B, F, G, R, K. So, here we have to see just the first letter. So, B, F, G, R, K. So, in alphabetical order, A is not there, B, yes. So, the first word will be butterfly. 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 Then B, C, D, E, F. Frog will come. Complete it. Frog will come. FROG. Frog. Frog will come. Then GHIJK. Kettle will come. G, butterfly, frog. FG, glass will come. Glass will come. Don't miss the word the way I missed it right now. Don't miss it. Glass. You can cut it after doing it. So that will be easy for you to understand. After G, K will come, and after K, R will come. So kettle and rabbit. So complete this page yourself. You're going to write the letters, alphabets yourself. Okay? Complete the work. Then we are going to do module 2. Now we are going to do use of dictionary module 2. Now you can see there is bell, library, spoon, telephone, shoes. So now the B, bell will come first. Yes or no? Yes. So you're going to write bell here, then B, then L will come. Library, Library, library. So write it with me. Library. After library, you can see there is a spoon, shoes, and telephone. So PQRS. So S will come first. So there is S. Now there are two words with S, starting with S. So we have to go on second letter. Second letter is S. Second letter is H and P. Second letter is H and P. So H will come first. So you're going to write shoes here. SHOES, shoes. Then you are going to write spoon here. SPOON, spoon. And then the last one will be telephone. The last one will be telephone. So in this particular manner, you are going to complete your page number 6. Okay. If you have not completed with me, complete it fast and complete your work and then send me your work. Getting this point? Now you have to write your diary. So please take out your diary. So you are going to mention today's date, yes or no, and the work of English you are going to write in the English column. That is do page number 6. So this will be a second page with the second date, today's date, and work of English. Do page number 6. So do complete your work. In next class we are going to learn something new. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy. Bye.